for me, work for me, work that body for me, what, work it.
Drop that.
Get it.
Get down, 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 get down. For me, what, work it. Get down, get down. Work it.
Drop that.
Get it.
Get down, 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 get down.
Switch it up.
Thanks for watching. I hope it was helpful. And if it was helpful, go ahead and help me out and hit that subscribe button. We need to get to 500 subscribers so I can do a tool giveaway. In the meantime, we're going to be doing more tool unboxings and reviews, overviews, and small engine do-it-yourself repair tips and tricks. Thanks again, guys.